Now, this is the gravy video we all need. In this pan, I have 2 tablespoons of the already hot used oil that I've used to fry my chicken in. Then once that gets really hot in my pan, I go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the flour mixture that we use to flour the chicken that we fried. And then we just stir it until we get it to the color that we need it to be. The darker the roux, the deeper the flavor. And right now, this is just a little bit too light skinned for me. This is giving me very much Boris Kojo color, okay? We need a little bit darker than this. This is nice, but this is giving me very much Michael B. Jordan. We need a little bit darker than this, okay? Now, it's still not where I want it to be. I'm getting very much Blair Underwood, okay? We need it just a little bit darker than this. Probably about another minute or so of being stirred frequently and watching the heat on a medium low, period. Now, this is how we want it. Give it very much Idris Elba vibes. This is exactly what we need the color to be. So now we're going to slowly add in our chicken broth. Now it depends on how thick you like your gravy, but for this 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of flour, I use 1 cup of chicken broth. And I slowly add it in while consistently and constantly stirring the roux. Now gravy gets thicker as it cools off. So if it's a little bit watery, that's fine. As long as it can sit on the back of a butter knife without falling too much, you should be good. And then you also taste it for flavor to make sure it's where you need to be. If it isn't, add more flavor and add more seasoning as needed. If it's too watery, let it sit on top of the stove and cook the water down for a few more minutes. But this is perfect. This is just how I want it. This is perfect for the meal that I made it for. So take that into consideration and you should be good. All right, bye.